Hello. That's my favorite. Mama's a toy. Mama doing. Yay. We're happy. Hey, that's me. Trying to race. Get a fish shine. No problem. Yeah, me. Oh, man. No. What is that? I gotta get going. I'm on the train. So my gun? Okay. Hey, come on, Croft. You gotta know the more your bad practice.
How many votes do we got?
Okay. No. Yes, that's a lot. That's my saying. Me too. Come out the lake. Ooh. Fire. What? Everyone in the water. Down there. Whoa. What? Oh, yeah, I want to get visiting. Let's have that Dawson. Oh, you don't know where that. I think that too. This is a bat. What is the bat? Do you get to meet it? You hide. Okay, I want to do that. So, where you been? Yeah. Nah, I don't want to.
Be quiet.
Who are you? For the industry? What are the one things? I go for the others. Or we try that. What's that mean?
Wait, where are you going?
Where am I? Time for the Toy Story. I'll find a new friend. That called the planet. Look, come on, guys. For the oil passer? Where are you? I found an Toy Story. Oh, why did you do that?